open all doors.
Got it.
Hey BMW, open roof blind.
Okay, I will open the roof blinds.
Hey BMW, what's the weather like?
Currently it is cloudy in Lille with a temperature of 12 degrees.
I'm hot.
All right, it will be cooler shortly. Please turn right in 900 meters.
Yes, maybe. Hey BMW, show navigation.
Map.
Map, yes. Okay BMW, what's my range?
The battery is 79% charged. In these conditions, your remaining range is 379 kilometers. Are you interested in ways of increasing your range?
Yes, I am.
Efficient mode helps you to reduce consumption and thus significantly increase your BMW's range. Should I activate efficient mode for you?
Yes, please.
Great. I have activated efficient mode. Do you want to find out about other options to increase your range?
Sure.
The efficiency coach helps you with visual feedback in the instrument cluster. The efficiency coach shows you how to drive efficiently, depending on the current driving situation. This is done by outlining the efficient range in blue on the right side of the instrument cluster. Stay within this range in order to drive efficiently.
Hey BMW, show my modes.
With pleasure. Here is the My Modes menu.
Hey BMW, tell me a joke.
All right. What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back?
A stick.
A stick.
Ah. Hey BMW, tell me another joke.
All right. What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back?
No, don't tell me the same joke.
A stick.
Hey BMW, when will I arrive at my destination?
We'll reach our destination at about 1:59 in the afternoon.
Tell me more about Expressive Mode.
The Expressive Mode offers a lightened sound experience. In this mode, you and your passenger can celebrate life and attract attention. Should I turn it on for you?
Yes, please.
I will activate the Expressive Mode.
Yeah, BMW. Hey BMW, tell me a joke.
All right. What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back?
Activate Sport Mode.
Sure, I will activate the Sport Mode.
Oh yeah. Hey BMW, I'm stressed out.
Sure, I will activate the Relax Mode.
Ah, thank you. Hey BMW, open all blinds.
I will open all blinds.